Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda HR-V headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always refer to your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb specifications for your model. Now, open your hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or a cover to get clear access. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the tab and pulling it straight off. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. Once the connector is off, twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing and pull it out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's seated correctly, then reattach the electrical connector until it clicks. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to make sure it's working correctly. If everything looks good, reattach any plastic covers or clips you removed earlier, ensuring they are secure. For other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.